And these worlds, they are not built one after the other. They are all interwoven. So whatever is being done in one world affects all other worlds. So how are the bodies of a human being linked to these worlds? Because in our episode 2, we talk about the various bodies of a human being. Now in episode 3, we are talking about the various worlds. How are they connected? This drawing will give us an idea of how every human being is connected to these worlds. Human beings have bodies for all these worlds. The physical world, we use this chemical body, the body that we have now, consisting of solid, liquid, and gas. We use it. As I speak right now, we all listen to it. We are all operating with the chemical body and operating in the chemical area of the physical world. That is out. So we have this body that links up to the chemical region of the physical world. And then we have the etheric world, and we are linked to it by our vital body. We have the desire world, and we are linked to it by the desire body. We have the world of thought, and we are linked to it by the mental body or the mind. But there is a higher aspect of the world of thought, which is the abstract world or the abstract region. There, we are linked more by the human spirit. Then we have the world of life spirit, and we are linked by our life spirit aspect in us. We have the world of divine spirit. We are linked by the divine spirit aspect in us. This is the catchword. Our journey to become perfect is from the world of God to the physical world, and we are going back to God. This journey spans through the physical world, the etheric world, the desire world, the world of thought, the world of life spirit, and ends at the world of divine spirit. So our spirit is journeying in these 5 worlds back to God. But at the moment, what is being activated is the first 3 worlds, especially the region of abstract thought. That is where emphasis is. It doesn't mean that when we are doing one thing, it is not affecting the other ones. It is affecting the other ones as well, but it is only an area of emphasis. So we are journeying in 5 worlds. The world of virgin spirit, we are being assimilated back into God. We are then in God. And when we get to the world of God, we become one. We are perfect. We become one. So there is no individuality, more or less, when we get through the world of virgin spirit and the world of God. But we are journeying from the world of divine spirit all the way to the light spirit, to the world of thought, to the desire world, to the etheric world, and then to the physical world. These are the worlds, and this is how we are connected to them. Now, let us talk a bit about the planets. Because these worlds that we talk about, the planets first specialize them, and we are living on the planets. So there is a connection between our individual bodies and the planets. Now, the life spirit binds all the planets in the solar system as one. So for somebody to travel consciously from one planet to another, the person must be conscious in the life spirit.